Discord keeps crashing or restarting on your PC. Here are 15 fixes that actually work, from quickest to most thorough, step by step.
Start with the quick checks. They cost nothing and often solve everything. Fix 1. Check whether Discord itself is having problems. Open a browser, go to discordstatus.com and look for a red or yellow status. If there's an incident, wait and try again later. A quick speed test at speedtest.net rules out your internet. Fix 2. Fully close Discord. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Search for Discord. Right-click every Discord entry and choose End Task. Then relaunch. This clears ghost processes that keep the crash loop alive. Fix 3. Run Discord with administrator rights. Right-click the Discord shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. Or right-click, open Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, tick Run this program as an administrator, and click Apply. Permission problems are a common crash cause. If Discord still restarts, the problem is inside the app. Let's change its settings. 2 in-app settings fix most random crashes during use. Fix 4. Turn off hardware acceleration. Open user settings with the gear icon in the bottom left corner. In the left sidebar, go to App Settings, then Appearance. Scroll down to the Advanced section and switch off Enable Hardware Acceleration. Click Change and Restart to confirm. Discord restarts immediately. Fix 15. If crashes happen in voice calls, switch the audio subsystem. Still in user settings, open voice and video. Scroll to audio subsystem and change it from standard to legacy. Click OK. This fixes crashes caused by incompatible audio devices. Still crashing? Corrupted files are the next suspect, and clearing them is easy.
Fix 5 and 6 clean out corrupted Discord data. Fix 5, clear the cache. Press Windows and R to open the run box, type %appdata\discord, and press Enter. In the Discord folder, delete the cache, code cache, GPU cache, and local storage folders. Then relaunch Discord. Fix 6. If that's not enough, delete the whole Discord data folder. Open the run box again, type %appdata, and delete the Discord folder there too. Discord recreates them fresh on the next launch. Your messages and servers are safe on Discord servers. If the app still won't behave, the system around Discord needs attention. Four system-level fixes handle drivers, services, and security software. Fix 7. Update your graphics drivers and Windows. Open Windows Settings, go to Windows Update, and check for updates. Then update the GPU driver. In GeForce Experience, or AMD software, check for updates and install. Outdated graphics drivers are a top crash cause. Fix 10. Enable a hidden Windows service Discord needs. Press Windows and R, type Services, MSC, and press Enter. Find quality Windows audio-video experience, qWAVE for short. Right-click it, open Properties, set Startup Type to Automatic, click Start, then Apply, and OK. Fix 9. If Discord won't open at all, try Compatibility mode. Right-click the shortcut, open Properties, go to the Compatibility tab, tick Run this program in compatibility mode for, and choose Windows 8. Click Apply, then OK, and launch Discord. Fix 11. Security software can block Discord's updater. In Windows Security, open Virus and Threat Protection. Manage settings and add an exclusion for the Discord folder. Also turn off any VPN or proxy, then retry. Re-enable your antivirus after testing. Stuck in the update loop? There's a dedicated fix.
If Discord is stuck on checking for updates, the updater itself is broken. Fix 8. Rename the update file. Close Discord completely, press Windows and R, type %local app data, and open the Discord folder. Find Update.exe, right-click it, choose Rename, and change it to Update.exe. Restart your PC, then launch Discord. It downloads a fresh updater and finishes the update. Fix 13, do a full clean reinstall. Open Windows Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Search for Discord, click the 3 dots, and choose Uninstall. Then, delete the leftover Discord folders in App Data and Local App Data. Download the installer from discord.com, run discord-setup.exe, and log back in. Nothing is lost. For a few people, the culprit is a modification, not Discord itself.
Third-party mods like Better Discord can crash the client on launch. Fix 12, remove the mod. Run the Better Discord installer and choose Uninstall. If the app won't even open, press Windows and R, type %app data, and delete the Better Discord folder. That removes its plugins and themes too. Discord then starts clean. Fix 14. While you repair the desktop app, use Discord in your browser at discord.com. Voice and video work there. Or install Discord PTB, the public test build from discord.com. It installs separately and often runs when the stable version won't. If every fix is done and Discord still restarts, here's what's happening.
So why does this happen? 8 causes: corrupted installation files, corrupted cache, graphics drivers and hardware acceleration, conflicting software, antivirus, VPNs, overlays, third-party mods, Windows services and permissions, memory pressure. Discord can also restart itself when its memory use climbs too high, and sometimes Discord's own servers. One more thing, a full reinstall solves the majority of these, and sometimes the crash simply isn't your fault. A bad update affects everyone until Discord fixes it. That's the complete fix order. Status check, restart, admin rights, settings cache, system updater, reinstall, then mods. Start with the easy fixes and work down the list. Most people are fixed by fix 4 or 5. You've got this.